Hey everybody, it's Marlon with Event Center Miami, and today I'm pulling back the curtain to show you our seamless booking process and what you can expect when you choose our venue for your special event. Whether it's a baby shower or a wedding, a birthday or a corporate gig, we ensure that every detail is to your liking. Let's dive in. Step 1 is initial contact. Feel free to reach out to us via our online inquiry form found on our website. Give us a call, send us an email, or send us a DM on social media. From there, a member of our team will personally reach out to you to get any more details about your event and answer any questions you have for us. We aim to understand your vision and address any concerns you have right from the start. Step 2 is our pricing and services overview. During our initial conversation, we look forward to getting all of the necessary information that you require to put together a perfect proposal for your event. We will detail all of the services we offer, our pricing options, as well as our communication and payment systems that go into our process. This helps to ensure transparency and make you feel comfortable with the decision that you're making. Step 3 is our venue tour. If the pictures and videos online and on social media aren't doing enough for you, then come on in and take a tour for yourself. We'll schedule a date and time that's convenient for you to enjoy the warmth of our space right here at Event Center Miami. Seeing any venue in person can make a big difference. This is where your vision starts to come to life. You get a chance to see how it can be customized to your needs and your event. Step 4 is our proposal and booking. We will have an official proposal prepared right here on the spot, customized to your requests. From there, you'll be set up with a personalized digital client portal where all your communication and contracts will be stored for easy access. Everything is organized at your fingertips for your easy viewing. Step 5 is all about planning and coordination. From the time of your booking to the time of your event date, we provide regular correspondence, including questionnaires and other event resources to make sure we're on the same page for your big day. Every detail will be covered and no stone will be left unturned. Step 6 is all about your event day. On the big day, we'll conduct an initial walkthrough and give a final reminder of responsibilities. From there, it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your event. We're here to make your event seamless and stress-free so you can make magical memories here at Event Center Miami. Our final and 7th step will be our post-event follow-up. After your event, we'll touch base to gather information and feedback to ensure that everything was met to your expectations. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. Thanks for considering Event Center Miami. Now that you're ready to book your next event, reach out to us by visiting our website or contact us today. We'll see you then.